Put your finger there again. I'm having trouble finding it. There's so many things on my car. There we go. Okay, so that right there, the white one, not the one below it. The white one is it. The others are reflections of other things. And as you can see, okay, move your finger. As you can see, let's see if I can angle this. There, this may be a little better. So it's right center of the screen, it's the white one. You can see that's not a perfect circle. It is covered. And we are in the time of totality here at Token Creek Park, northeast of Madison, Wisconsin, southeast of Windsor, Lake Windsor area, near Madison, Wisconsin. And we are at 87% totality. What do you think about that, Sprout? Good. It is good. Cool. So we'd like to thank our not sponsor of this video, Farmers Hen House, pasture-raised organic eggs. We are saving the egg carton to give to some friends who raised chickens and gave us some eggs and stuff. And we bought these eggs, but then they had given us some, and so I was gathering cartons for her, and thankfully they were in the car to give her. And otherwise, I would not have something. So it's that white one right at the center of the screen, not the 3 dots of reflection that are in the middle, but excellent. Let's take a look around at our surroundings. It's not as dark as I thought it would get. I remember the 2017 one, and it seems like it was darker at home. I don't know. Oh, the worm is out. Yep, here, let's get the worm in.
It's dead, I think.
Hello, dead earthworm. Welcome to the party, even though you're dead. All right.
Earthworm.
So you can see we've got some friends here. We got the telescope guy over there, way beyond the playground set. The senior citizens that were over kind of on the other side of those shrubs left. But you can see what it's like here. We're not going to show the actual eclipse itself because I don't have the protection for my eyes or for my camera, and I don't trust what's being sold in the store. So thanks for joining us, and hope you got to see the eclipse too, more than just on a screen. But if nothing else, thanks for joining us here northeast of Madison, Wisconsin, as we watch our 87% totality. Bye.